How to at ODOL, Alarm Locksmith Compliance and Complaint. Alarm and locksmith inspectors conduct routine job site inspections to ensure compliance with the Alarm and Locksmith Industry Act and administrative rules. This includes company vehicle display requirements, individual requirements, number of trainees per licensed technician or manager, and also that the company itself is properly licensed. The Oklahoma Department of Labor also investigates complaints.
Thank you for calling the Department of Labor. How may I help you?
Complaints may be made by email, postal mail, in person, over a web complaint form, or over the phone. Each complaint is recorded into our database for tracking and quality assurance. For more information, please visit us at labor.ok.gov.